The following is a flash flood watch from the National Weather Service. The flash flood watch continues for portions of Illinois and northwest Indiana, including the following areas: in Illinois, Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Kane, Kendall, Lake Illinois, McHenry, Ogle, Will, and Winnebago. In northwest Indiana, Lake Indiana, and Porter. From 4 p.m. this afternoon through late tonight. Thunderstorms will produce heavy rainfall this afternoon and tonight. Widespread rainfall of 2 to 3 inches is likely north of the line from Sublette, Illinois to Dunn's Bridge, Indiana. This includes the Rockford and Chicago metro areas as well as the suburbs of these cities. Locally higher amounts of 4 to 5 inches are possible across the watch area. There is the potential for very high rainfall rates in some of the stronger storms. The heavy rain will fall over highly urbanized areas of Rockford and Chicago. Rapid flooding of creeks, small streams, roads, viaducts, and low-lying areas is possible in thunderstorms. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana for this afternoon and tonight. The following weather hazards can be expected: numerous severe thunderstorms. Some could produce strong tornadoes, damaging winds in excess of 75 miles per hour. Isolated hail to the size of baseballs, very heavy rainfall which could cause flash flooding areas affected in timing. While a few scattered thunderstorms may develop across the area early this afternoon, the main area of severe storms are anticipated to develop across far eastern Iowa, southwest Wisconsin, and northwest Illinois during mid-afternoon. These storms will evolve east across north-central Illinois, including the Rockford area, later this afternoon. These storms will have a tornadic threat. The storms will move east through this evening across all of northern Illinois and into northwest Indiana. The timing for the strongest thunderstorms with the greatest probability to produce severe weather to impact the Chicagoland area will likely occur between 6 and 11 p.m. These storms will primarily have a damaging wind threat, but they will be capable of producing tornadoes and large hail as well. While all storms will be capable of heavy rain today, the greatest flash flood threat will likely be along and north of the Interstate 80 corridor in northern Illinois, all of Chicagoland and Rockford metro area, and far northwest Indiana. Now here is the hazardous weather discussion. Low pressure will move east along a warm front across northern Illinois and Indiana this evening. A very warm, humid, and unstable air mass will be in place along and south of the warm front. The combination of strong instability and strengthening wind shear will likely lead to a significant severe weather outbreak from mid-afternoon through this evening across the region. The damaging wind threat is the highest, especially in clusters or complexes of storms that develop. In addition, heavy rainfall, mainly along and north of the Interstate 80 corridor, will lead to the potential for flash flooding late this afternoon and tonight. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. There is an increased risk for rip currents Thursday. There is a chance of thunderstorms Saturday through Monday. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will be needed across north-central Illinois late this afternoon and into at least early evening. Activation is most likely across northeast Illinois and northwest Indiana this evening. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the Illinois nearshore waters of Lake Michigan and the Indiana nearshore waters of Lake Michigan for this afternoon and tonight. Thunderstorms are likely. Some storms may produce wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail late this afternoon and this evening. Strong winds and high waves will lead to hazardous conditions for small craft late tonight. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Strong winds and high waves will lead to hazardous conditions for small craft through Thursday across northern Illinois and through Thursday evening across northwest Indiana. There is a chance of thunderstorms Saturday through Monday. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the open waters of Lake Michigan for this afternoon and tonight. Thunderstorms are likely over the south half of Lake Michigan. Some storms may produce wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail, mainly over far southern Lake Michigan late this afternoon and this evening. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. There is a chance of thunderstorms Saturday through Monday.
At 1 p.m. at O'Hare Airport it was cloudy. The temperature was 82 degrees. The dew point was 70, and the relative humidity was 66%. The heat index was 86. The wind was south at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.74 inches and rising. Elsewhere around the region, it was cloudy. It was 65 at Milwaukee Airport, 67 at Waukegan, and 82 at DuPage Airport. Midway Airport reported 81, Gary, Indiana reported 81, and Benton Harbor reported 83. Once again, at O'Hare Airport it was 82, under cloudy skies. At the Kenosha Harbor entrance, winds were north at 15 knots. In open waters, at the South Lake Michigan buoy, winds were northeast at 12 knots. Waves were calm. In open waters, at the North Lake Michigan buoy, winds were northeast at 4 knots. Waves were 0 feet.
Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. Flash flood watch in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon through late tonight. Rest of today, slight chance of showers late in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms early in the afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms late in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail and heavy rainfall in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s, except in the 70s to lower 80s near the lake. East winds around 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 100%. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers and thunderstorms likely overnight. Chance of showers and thunderstorms during the pre-dawn hours. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail and heavy rainfall in the evening. Lows in the upper 50s. North winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 80%. Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s, except in the upper 60s near the lake. North winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour until late afternoon. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s, except in the upper 60s near the lake. Northeast winds around 10 miles per hour. Friday night, mostly clear in the evening then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Sunday night and Monday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Highs in the upper 70s. Monday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. And now for the marine portion of our program. Here is the forecast for all of Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan forecast to be on 5 nautical miles from shore. Synopsis: low pressure of 29.6 inches over western Iowa will move east into north-central Illinois by late afternoon. This low will continue to deepen to 29.3 inches as it reaches the mid-Atlantic region Thursday. A large but weak area of high pressure of 30.0 inches will build across the lakes region Thursday night and Friday, then move southeast the mid-Atlantic region Saturday. For the north half, dense fog advisory in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon. Rest of today, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Areas of dense fog through early afternoon. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Tonight, north winds 10 to 20 knots increasing to 15 to 25 knots late. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Waves 2 to 4 feet occasionally to 6 feet. Thursday, north winds 15 to 25 knots. Waves 3 to 5 feet occasionally to 8 feet. Thursday night, north winds 10 to 20 knots. Waves subsiding to 2 to 4 feet occasionally to 6 feet. Friday, north winds 10 to 15 knots becoming variable 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Friday night, variable winds 5 to 10 knots becoming south. Waves 1 feet or less. Saturday, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Sunday, southwest winds around 10 knots. Chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves around 1 foot. For the south half, dense fog advisory in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon. Rest of today, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots increasing to 10 to 20 knots by early afternoon. Patchy dense fog through early afternoon. Chance of showers and thunderstorms through early afternoon and showers and thunderstorms likely. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, northeast winds 15 to 25 knots becoming north and increasing to 30 knots overnight. Showers and thunderstorms, especially in the evening. Damaging winds, large hail and heavy rainfall are possible with these storms in the evening. Waves building to 4 to 7 feet occasionally to 10 feet. Thursday, north winds to 30 knots easing to 15 to 25 knots in the afternoon. Waves 4 to 7 feet occasionally to 10 feet. Thursday night, north winds 15 to 25 knots diminishing to 10 to 20 knots. Waves 4 to 7 feet occasionally to 10 feet subsiding to 3 to 5 feet occasionally to 8 feet. Friday, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves subsiding to 1 to 3 feet late. Friday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots becoming southeast. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Saturday, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Sunday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 1 foot or less. And now for the nearshore marine forecast, for waters within 5 nautical miles of shore on Lake Michigan, from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor. Small craft advisory in effect from late tonight through Thursday afternoon. For rest of today, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Patchy dense fog, chance of showers and thunderstorms early in the afternoon, then showers and thunderstorms likely late. Waves 1 to 3 feet. For tonight, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots becoming north, and increasing to 30 knots overnight. Showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Waves building to 4 to 7 feet occasionally to 10 feet. For Thursday, north winds 15 to 25 knots. Sunny. Waves 4 to 7 feet occasionally to 10 feet. And for Thursday night, north winds easing to 10 to 15 knots. Mostly clear. Waves subsiding to 3 to 5 feet occasionally to 8 feet. And now for the nearshore marine forecast, for waters within 5 nautical miles of shore on Lake Michigan, from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Small craft advisory in effect from late tonight through Thursday evening. For rest of today, east winds 5 to 10 knots becoming northeast late in the afternoon. Patchy dense fog, chance of showers and thunderstorms early in the afternoon, then showers and thunderstorms likely late. Waves 1 to 2 feet. For tonight, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots becoming north to 30 knots late. Showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers and thunderstorms likely after midnight. Waves building to 4 to 7 feet occasionally to 10 feet. For Thursday, north winds to 30 knots easing to 20 to 25 knots. Mostly sunny. Waves 4 to 7 feet occasionally to 10 feet. And for Thursday night, north winds 10 to 20 knots. Mostly clear. Waves subsiding to 3 to 6 feet occasionally to 9 feet.
Lake Michigan water temperatures, Chicago shore, 64. Chicago Creek, 58. Leon Beach, missing. Osterman Beach, missing. Montrose Beach, 62. Ohio Street Beach, 62. 63 Road Street Beach, 64. Rainbow Beach, 65. Calumet Beach, 65. Lake Forest Beach, 57. Highland Park Beach, 58. Waukegan Beach, 57. Michigan City, 54. Michigan City Buoy, 62. Southern Buoy, 51.
You are listening to NOAA's Weather Radio, KWO-39, serving marine interests on southern Lake Michigan, the Illinois and Indiana shores, and Chicago. The current time is 1:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
The following is a flash flood watch from the National Weather Service. The flash flood watch continues for portions of Illinois and northwest Indiana, including the following areas in Illinois.